Hoo, 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 hoo. Om. 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 Om Shiv. Jai Mahakal. Welcome, solar powered humans, Kev Yogi Vinod. Right now we are at Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib. It's the premises of Gurdwara Gursagar Sahib, and this way is a Kartar Yoga, Kartar Old Age Home. So, well, as a part of my practice, so in India, at Chandigarh in India, yesterday it was 46 degrees Celsius temperature. This is scorching heat and very hot winds blowing. So let's see how we can use yoga here for fighting with the scorching heat. So let's practice two pranayams. They are, number one is Shitli and other one is your Chandrabhedi pranayam. So in Hindi we call it Pilia, jaundice in English. So to keep your liver perfect, and especially we have to have plenty of water so we don't suffer from dehydration. And the one thing which I would like to share you, may God bless us with the continuous practices of yoga. I prostrate in the lotus feet of all the Naga Babas in the Himalayan ranges, those who are busy doing their meditation. So let's go here to fight the heat. My friends, what we have to do is simply breathing through the mouth, teeth closed, and tongue will be resting on the inside the lower jaw. Yeah, palate. Yeah, see this lingual frenulum here, we have not to lift it up like khichdi. It will be resting, the tongue will be resting here. Yeah, behind the lower jaw's teeth. So I have to do like this. You can apply your bandhas through the nose without making any sound. Exhalation. See, this is Shitli in Hindi. Shitli means cooling down. It's like water cooling. As we use in water in coolers and like this we are using it. Our, sputum and all saliva, this works as the water and cooling. See, here I go, cooling. See, first exhale, complete exhalation, and now through both the nostrils. Again, see. While holding the breath, in Hindi, in Sanskrit, we call it Purak. Purak means to fill your lungs. When you breathe in, your stomach should little come out, so the diaphragm gets linear expansion and maximum oxygen is taken by the lungs, supplies to the body. So they see, again I do. Inhalation, Purak, suspension. You can apply your bandha, Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh, and then your exhalation. This is called Rechak. So we are striving all the time for the Kevali Kumbhaka, but now this is for cooling down your body. Okay, see. And after this Shitli Pranayama, we can do Chandrabhedi Pranayama. Yeah, see, look at me. From here inhaling, left, by the way, I'm making on selfie camera, so it will appear, right will appear left will appear right. Basically, you have to breathe in from the left, exhale through the right. So this is my left nostril. In camera, it may appear as right also, never mind. So here I go from the left nostril. Remember it? Chandrabhedi Pranayama. Chandra means moon. Chandrabhedi, this is for cooling down. This is the swara of our mother for cooling down your body. Taking from right, leaving from left is Suryabhedi, sun, producing heat. So this is your Chandrabhedi. See, look at me here. You can close it from here. Left, exhalation first, then slowly breathing out through the right nostril. Let the time be double. Inhalation, for example, 10 seconds. Let the exhalation be 20. This ratio. Otherwise, the ratio is supposed to be 1:4:2 in pranayamas, but you can do it just for cooling down the body. From here, inhalation without making any sound, and exhalation through the right. You will find your BP comes to down. Those who are suffering from high hypertension, high BP, immediately their BP comes down, lowers down. You can see here, it's wonderful pranayama. Again from here. When breathe in, let your stomach come out. Again I tell you, linear expansion of the lungs happen because of diaphragm goes downwards. So maximum oxygen here again I go. When you take your little stomach out like newborn baby. When it breathes, he breathes. Here. So this was to cool down your body, and those who are suffering from low blood pressure, they shouldn't go in for that. This pranayamas because they cool down your body. So like this, it's very hot in India. You can go to swimming pools, practice Palavani with us, lying down on the water, surface of water for hours together, headstand, slowly. Don't go haphazardly. Headstand, you have to 5 minutes of headstand. And remember one thing, this portion always to be touched. This I show you. Never make the mistake of touching this Brahmarandra on the surface. Otherwise it will lead you to neurosis. So this this portion is to be put on the ground in headstand. So it's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Again, because to keep on increasing time to reach in Kevali Kumbhaka, suspension of breath, it happens. Eko sadhe, sab sadhe, sab jaye. Means try to perfect one asana. As I keep on trying, perfecting my headstand. So, Kev Yogi Vinodanand, be with us. Every day we'll be practicing. Oh, wonderful kriyas of yoga. So again, we should never forget about paying our gratitude to even this world, whole Maya, birds, our gratitude to the peacocks, these chirping birds, these these trees, sound of the leaves, the wind passing through them. It's a music. So gratitude to this whole Mother Nature. How conducive the Mother Nature is to take us to the Lord, our own form, know thyself. So the gratitude goes to again Biba Charan Kamal ji, and Biba in Punjabi call it Biba ji here. She happens to be the wife of Baba Pritpal Singh ji. So they are well-educated Babas, So they created all this wonderful place, and here old people are. It's a heaven to the old people, I tell you. Really, we have here army officers, retired doctors, scholarly people, and marvelous. You'll enjoy. Most welcome to this place to learn yoga. So keep on increasing the time of headstand, and those who want to go in for headstand samadhi, visit us, because these some asanas, some kriyas like khechari and all, they need a bit of personal guidance. Otherwise we can do online also. Thank you very much. So great of you. Thanks for watching. Kev Yogi Vinodanand, Lineage Devra Baba. Oh, let's keep young, healthy, and die at our own will. Death is a change of bodies, or could be forever in the Lord. Moksha. How to control your pranas, pranapan, samana, dhan, vyan. So I'll be going back to my asana. Slowly you also keep increasing the time, and again asana. Oh, marvelous. Jai Mahakal. Let all the creatures be happy. Love animals. Serve animals. Oh, God will definitely reciprocate you. We don't need any instructions. We can see how God reciprocates and every action has got an equal and opposite. Let's make spiritualism very scientific. Now we have evolved from the caves. So Newton's law, every action has got equal and opposite reaction. Whatever we do in this world, the karma is boomerang. Exact opposite reactions do happen. So keep serving the animal without expecting any fruit. As Bhagavan, Lord Krishna says, the wisdom, try to be wise. The wisdom is to have the knowledge of this whole manifested world, kshetra, body, and the knower of the Lord, both. And let's all, the preacher and the teachers and the devotees, let's all the time introspect ourselves. I'm leading millions of people. Do I know about all the species? Do I know everything about this kshetra? So medical sciences and the spiritualism can never be two different things. Can never be two different things. And I'm giving you a secret. When the Kundalini awakens and Shastras go, the authentication and to a litmus test paper to test ourselves. A person whose Mooladhara opens, he gets the knowledge of the whole universe, all sciences, like a ball on the hand. So, don't deceive yourself and others. We have to check ourselves how much I have reached myself into my own self, Yeah, how much knowledge I have about the species, about the world, about my anatomy of the body. Then of the knower, thinker, Lord. Then keep on leading the people. So it's all God everywhere. Even right from a quack to the enlightened person, it's all God, according to the need of the humanity, people. And God keeps meeting us the way. As a cat meets a mouse in a different way, with her eats up like so, and very cruel for the mouse and very for a kitten, how she picks up. It's, it's all in the Hindu mythology. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.